In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default shape style in PowerPoint. This is a handy trick for personalizing your presentations and making sure every shape you create matches your unique style preferences. Whether you're looking to streamline your workflow or simply enjoy more customization, these steps will help you get there. So, let's get started. First, we need to launch Microsoft PowerPoint. You can do this by clicking on the PowerPoint icon on your desktop or by searching for it in your applications. Once PowerPoint is open, you'll have the option to either create a new presentation or open an existing one. Go ahead and make that choice, and once your PowerPoint file is open, you can begin adding your content like photos, tables, and text if you haven't done so already. Now that you have your content ready, let's move forward. Head over to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. This is where you'll find various elements you can add to your slides. Look for the option to insert a shape. When you click on it, a variety of shapes will appear. Choose one that suits your current needs and add it to your slide. With your chosen shape now on the slide, click on it to select it. This action will bring up the Shape Format tab at the top of the screen. The Shape Format tab is your hub for transforming the appearance of shapes. Once you're in this tab, there are multiple options you can utilize. Let's start by changing the fill color. You'll see an option for Shape Fill here. Clicking on it will reveal a palette of colors, gradients, and textures. Choose a color or gradient that appeals to you. Next, navigate to Shape Outline, where you can change the outline color, adjust its weight, or remove it altogether if you prefer a smooth look. In addition to fills and outlines, you can also add effects like shadows or glows to give your shape more depth and character. These options are found under Shape Effects, and they provide a variety of looks you can experiment with to get the perfect style. Once you've made these changes and you're happy with how your shape looks, it's time to set this style as the default for all future shapes. Simply right-click on the shape, and from the context menu, select Set as Default Shape. This will ensure that any new shapes you insert will automatically adopt the same style attributes, saving you valuable time. And that's it. We've successfully customized and set a new default shape style in PowerPoint. With these techniques, you can easily maintain a consistent and stylish look throughout your presentations. I hope you found this guide helpful and can apply these steps to make your PowerPoint documents shine. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks.